Alright, here it is. Ordered this on October 16th and it arrived today, November 4th, just a few minutes ago. That's 19 days to come to Germany, to New York State. So that's quite a long time. It's sat in customs, I think, for 7 to 10 days. I'll show a tracking insert right here. And now we're back to the opening. Let's open this up and see what we got. That shirt I ordered. That shirt. Better than I thought it was going to be. Oh, I like digging that right there. Look at that. I can see the toggle switch right through there. Fuck. Well, that's not good. It appears that it's been open, so why it sat in customs for so long is beyond me, but whoops. A little better packaging than previous times. Man, this is some banging going on here. Really should package these better. Not liking that so far. Broken string. Nuts all fucked up. Much darker than the picture shows. I should insert a picture here and let you see. Made in China. Thought these were made in Vietnam or something. So this nut's all bashed up. I don't know if I'm even on the screen. So we got a broken string, but it doesn't appear that it came with any damage that I can see anywhere. Just a broken string. Okay, so the nut got a little scuffed up. Not sure if you can actually see that in the video. Very nice edges of the frets. As you can see, the color is a lot darker than what's in the pictures. Broken string. The toggle switch was poking through the box. Luckily that didn't get broken, but it is a little off position. I mean, it's kind of like to this that way. Nothing that a little adjustment can't fix. Fretboard looks good. This is basically like an ESP Eclipse, if you ask me. You can see the belly cut, little cutaway here, nice fret access. Came with 10s. And then SC Custom line Grover tuners. But here's the thing that really bothered me is that I bought one that said made in Vietnam, and this is obviously, it says made in China. So, not happy about that. I bought the more expensive one thinking I was getting a little better quality. Let's check out the pickup cavity, and then we'll do a reading on the pickups. Stand by. Okay, I might have said pickup cavity, but I meant to say control cavity. So there's your toggle switch wiring. And then here is your cavity for the volume, and everything's nice and neat, tie wrapped, push pull, and not looking bad. Let's get the readings from here. So in the lead position, volume's up, tone's up. We have a reading of 8.2 with the coil tap, and it goes to 4.15 around there. We'll go to rhythm or neck. We got 7.9-ish. Tapped 3.9, around 4. As you can see for yourself. And in the middle, with both pickups on, we're getting a 4 point something, 2 point something. So overall, this is actually a nice guitar. The action was high. I was able to lower it. Still have no string buzz. The neck is straight. For the price, these can't be beat. Harley Benton just needs to update their web page so the color reflects what you're actually buying. Because the one shown, which I A-B'd the pictures, is more of a turquoise. This is a dark, deep blue, or a navy blue, or royal blue, whatever you want to call it. I'm not going to do any sound samples. I did email them. I'm waiting to hear back to see what they have to say. And nice guitar for the money. Can't be beat. Stay tuned for more. Subscribe. Hit the notification thingamajig. Check out all my music and my projects on iTunes, Amazon, CD Baby. Yeah, some of them are on Spotify, but Spotify doesn't pay poop, so I'm not putting any more up there. Thanks for watching. See ya.